Okay, now here you can see the speed is changed. Okay, the reverse same. So now what I'll do is here you can see from the program you can just change the speed of the motor, but in case if you need to change the setting, you will have.
Hi guys, welcome to Automation Today. If you want to learn industrial automation, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from Automation Today.
So here we have an arrangement to drive this stepper motor using this PLC by this stepper drive. Now you can see there are 4 wires coming out from this stepper motor, and it is connected to here. Here you can see there are 2 coils, A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, and also there is a power, GND and plus. So here we have used 24 volt DC power supply to give the power to the motor and PLC. And from here you can see there are pulse and direction, two inputs we required uh, from PLC to stepper drive to run this stepper motor. So this pulse is we have connected to output of PLC, that is Y0, and for directions we have connected pin number 2, that is Y1. So when we press this switch, motor will run at clockwise, and when this switch is pressed, motor will run at anti-clockwise, or you can say counterclockwise. So here you can see this LED will glow of Y0 when I press this, and this motor will run. So here you can see it is rotating in clockwise direction, and when I press this red switch, it rotates at counterclockwise. So here uh, this system, there are 2 systems to drive a stepper motor or any motor, that is clockwise and counterclockwise, and pulse and direction. Here you can see there is pulse and direction. So in this system only one input needs to be pulsating, that is continuous strain of pulse, and other one is just active low, that is sorry, you can say like high or low. So in this case the Y0 bit is a pulsating bit and Y1 is high or low. So when I press no contact, you can see only single Y0 is on. Okay, and when I press this switch, both the LEDs off, that is Y0 and Y1. You can change the speed of this motor by the program itself, which is written in this PLC, or otherwise you can just change the PPR, that is pulse per revolution. Now here you can see a table is given in where you can just set these switches and set the speed of this motor. Okay, but you can see when you change these settings, you need to turn this stepper drive off and then switch it on again. Otherwise the system setting you have done will not be applied anymore. So I'll just change the program to change the speed of this motor.
So here we can see a simple arrangement. We have used a DPLS5 instruction as we have used pulse and direction system to drive the motor. Here you can see we have used Y0 to give a continuous chain of pulses using DPLS5 instruction, and we are only setting Y1 high or low depending on the input condition. So here we have taken NO switch on input. So X0. So we have connected NO switch, okay, and we have connected NC switch on input 2, that is X1. So we have connected here NC contact, okay. So let's get started. Normally we have say if you press uh, this instruction and press F1 key, you will find the help menu. In this help menu, it will be guided you through this process, how you can set, how can you use this instruction. That is, S1 is the frequency and S2 is number of output pulse, and D is your output, that is actual hardware output. And so here you can enter at S2, you can enter total number of pulses which you want, or you need give to the stepper drive. And the frequency uh, upon you can just distance and speed, stepper motor. Program. Yeah, we have set S1 10,000 and S50. Now just as this is switches cannot set of this to force when you press on motor start. Now I'll just go offline. I'll just change this speed to 25,000. Enter. Online. Okay. Yes. Upload the program. Okay. So now first I'll just force it. Now let's see. Now you can see speed is increased, and this is in clockwise direction, and now we'll move it in counterclockwise. So you can see speed has increased. Now see hardware. This is from the sort. How can increase PLC if you want changes from hardware stepper drive. Just change the and okay, now here you can see the speed is changed. Okay, the reverse same. So now what I'll do is here you can see from the program you can just change the speed of the motor, but in case if you need to change the setting,
you will have to change these settings. Okay, so suppose now currently all the switches are off. Here you can see the on position, it's shown with the arrow. Let me take a closer look. If I don't know if you can see this, but they all are off. Okay, for this all setting, the PPR is 25,000. So I'll just set it on 400. That is okay. So I have set to 400 PPR, but it won't apply unless and until I power it off again. So we'll just try this once. See, you can see the same speed for all the direction. What I'll do is I'll just shut it down and shut it off again, shut on again. I'll just turn on. Okay, now I'll just press the switch. Here you can see the pulses which have been fed by this, it's is overflowing. The motor is not moving. So we'll just get back to the program and just see what we can do it for this.
And now what we're going to do is we're going to change the PPR from the hardware switches provided on the stepper drive. But before that, as we need to shut it down. So before shutting your PLC or your cutting the power from the PLC, you just need to exit the online mode, uh, so that you can just do not corrupt any program within the PLC. It's just a safety measure. So now, as we have changed the hardware setting, we'll just change these pulses. Now what I'll make is I'll just make it 200 and make 25. Here. Now upload this. Oh, yes. Okay. Now you can see are changed.
Now here you can see I've just changed the program. Now just try this program on motor. So here you can see motor is rotating. How we have changed the values of S1 and S2, and we can change the motor speed from this. Okay, from the software part. Okay, so